Hi traders, good morning. This is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing 2 trades today based on the yen weakness. Today's January the 25th and it's during the New York session. So I took this euro yen right here. Right, I'll put an arrow where I got in at. Right here. Let's see the time. It was actually on this candle right here. As it was going up here, took the trade right about here. And on the Aussie yen, if you want the white arrow, you just click on this little box and arrow up. And it's the same thing here. It was just before 7 a.m. New York time, and did a bit of a pullback, but as you can see, never did hit my stop. Stop is way down here, 20 pips on each one of them. Followed my pip trigger rules between the meter and checking higher time frames as I teach in the training videos. Trading is easy as long as you follow the rules and have a plan and trade your plan. Been told that for hundreds of times over the years. Traders with no plan can kiss their money goodbye. That's just the way trading goes. Forex Nelson is back, and I just came back from breakfast to good news, exactly like the way I love trading. I have a very strict trading plan. Plan my trade and trade my plan, and it works out a lot more often than not. At least 9 out of 10 trades. I'm up almost over $3,000 now. Aussie yen, I'm up 18 pips, and the euro yen got in here with a very small pullback, and I'm up on this one 14 and 8, 32 pips. 14 and 18. As I said, 32 pips, up around 3,000 or more, around that amount anyhow. So all I can do now is manage the trade, which is very easy to do. And I do have room to go to the next level of resistance on the higher time frame. So these are all things that you have to know while you're trading. You just don't trade blindly. You have to have a very good plan. And I teach all of that in the pip trigger training videos. You might have to watch the videos 2 or 3 times, but it takes about 2 weeks to go through them. And if you paper trade quite a few trades, 100 or more, the light bulb should go off and you should be able to trade like the way I'm doing. Let's see that euro yen again, doing a slight pullback now. Gonna put on pause and be back shortly. Forex Nelson is back, and I finally decided to close the trades as I'm seeing some stalling out on both of them, and it's nearing a level of resistance, a zone. So taking that into consideration, I decided to close the 2 trades that are on the bottom, euro yen and Aussie yen, profitable. The other 2 trades were from the Asian, and just for you traders, I just wanted to let you know that not every trade is a winner. I lost around 5 pips on the euro Aussie last night during the Asian session. I try to keep my stops small, and of course, as long as the winners outperform the losers day in and day out, you will be a profitable trader. In other words, you have to follow the rules that I teach in the pip trigger. If you don't follow the rules, you will have bigger losers and smaller winners. That's the hump that you have to get over. You have to switch it around the other way. So on the euro yen right here, where this arrow and the cursor is, that's where I took the trade. Like when it broke this top, it's either when you break a level of resistance or wait for a pullback. and in hindsight should have waited for the pullback. But let's see now, on this cursor right here, it did a pullback of about 7 pips, nowhere near my stop, which is 20 down here. And I got out at the cursor right here at almost 20 pips, 19 pips. And as you can see, it looks like it's hitting some level of resistance. Now on both of these it can hook around and go up some more, but that's okay. I'm happy with the totals, which is usually per trade I like to get between 10 and 30 pips. Now on this Aussie yen here, took the trade, arrow cursor right here. Most that went against me was only 5 or 6 pips, and I got out at this cursor, which was almost 30. So if we do the 30 on top of the almost 20, so if you combine both of these, that's like about 50 pips. Now each one of these, you do not get $10 on each pip per standard lot. Only on the majors. Like if it has the US dollar within the pair, then you'll get 10 bucks. But these ones here you get less. So 50 pips does not mean 5,000. But it was over 4. 3, 4, 2, 3, 43, 30. 43, 30. 31 actually. So anyhow, it was a great day trading. I've had 3 good days this week, and I took yesterday off, the New York session. Took a drive and went to another city in Ontario. Wife and I just wanted to do some sightseeing, so I goofed off yesterday. That's what I love about trading. If you want to trade, you trade, and if you want to take a vacation or a day off or more, you can do that. Trading is the greatest profession, as far as I'm concerned, in the world, because no bosses, and you can work 1 day a week or 7 or 5 days a week. Obviously you can't work Saturday or Sunday. So if your trading needs a little bit of help, feel free to look right below this video, and you'll see a write-up similar to this. Pip Trigger full package. It's $250, and I do give 12 versions of my Pip Trigger in the form of MT4 templates. So that works out to approximately $20 for each system. Makes that the best deal on the internet as far as I'm concerned. Try to go buy some systems. You're paying, if not hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. And of course I give my 4 meters. They all work great. I have my preference, which is the one you're looking at right here, this meter. And there's a lot of training videos, 344 done by me, plus 20 bonus videos, which will complement the Pip Trigger. And I've been getting a lot of traders emailing me or calling me, asking me for this more information on the $1 million trade plans. I made 2 of them. One for the Forex, one for futures, and they work on the theory that you can start with $1,000 and in less than a year you turn that into $1 million, and all you need is 10 pips. 1 trade a day, 10 pips, and I just showed you here I got 50. So definitely the Pip Trigger is very easy to grab 10 pips. 1 trade a day, that's all you need. 20 trades a month. And then you follow the rest of the rules that I write up for how to turn that $1,000 into $1 million. If you want to know more about it or whatever, just give me a shout. Get in contact with me. Now the most important part about trading is education. So don't be thinking it is one system, the magical system or the holy grail. No such thing. Took me 700 systems to realize that. All you got to do is find something that you like, and then you got to learn all about the Forex market and how price moves. Whether it's the beginning when the market opens, in the middle, or later when the market closes. Like 11 a.m., the London closes. So you trade a little bit differently at the London close. Now if you have some more questions about the pip trigger, please get in touch with me. Just call me directly. Most of the time I answer the phone unless I'm busy talking to another trader. And if you live too far, just email me. I do reply quickly, within usually an hour, like as long as I'm around the computer. And then of course I do prefer Skype ID, Forex_Nelson, as you see down here. And through screen sharing, I'll give you a bunch of tips, advanced tips and tricks, which will help your trading. And by the way, I do that for free, no obligation, totally free. So now you know how to get in touch with me. And with regards to this video here, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so until the next trade and video, good luck with your trading. Bye for now.